Alright you guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I am doing butterfly locks on my daughter's hair. This is the first time I tried them, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, right now I'm parting her hair in sections and braiding each section, and I'm going to do that all over her head. Now that I'm all done with the braids, I am now using the crochet hair, and I am using the Freetress Water Wave, and it's 22 inches. The color is 1B 350. Okay, you guys, so some of my clips were messed up. They were just black, so I didn't get to show you how I separated the hair. But right now I'm using the crochet needle and I'm sticking it through the roots of her braid, and I am pulling it through. Then I'm only going to pull one side of the crochet hair through. Now after that, I'm going to pull that one side that I pulled through. I'm going to pull it down so that it can be a lot longer than the other side. She wants her butterfly locks to be short, so the other side needs to be the length that you want your locks to be. Now you're going to wrap that longer side a few times around the roots. That way it will stay. And excuse my hands for being in the way, and my camera wants to autofocus. But now you're going to wrap that hair around the braid and the other half of the crochet hair, the shorter part of the crochet hair. You're just gonna wrap it around, kind of like if you ever done faux locks. It's kind of the same method. Now I'm wrapping it around my thumb because for me it just kind of helped get that distressed kind of hair look. And I'm not wrapping it too tight. I want it kind of loose, that way the hair can stick out. So you can keep doing that all the way down. I've seen some people do it a little different. They kind of wrap loosely and then just kind of take their hands and rub the lock just so it can kind of stick out a little bit. You want that kind of like distressed kind of look. That's the difference between butterfly locks and like faux locks and stuff. Now once you get to the ends, I'm just kind of pulling both sides because the other side was a little longer than I wanted it to be. And I'm just kind of going back up the lock and just kind of twisting it loosely a little bit. I mean, it's kind of, I don't want to say loosely, it's not really loose. I'm kind of going a little tight because I don't want it all the way loose. But I'm making sure some of the hair is sticking out like the butterfly lock looks. I'm just kind of going back up, and then because it's so long, I'm going to go back down. I do like this because it makes it the lock look a lot bigger, which that's what we were going for. And then you didn't have to use as much hair. I kind of took like about 3 strings each of the Freetress hair. I know you guys didn't see that, but I took about 3 strings each. And then I'm wrapping it back down. And I'm just going to take some nail glue. I know that I'm past her hair, and I'm going to take some nail glue just to kind of seal it in place. Make sure you are very careful with the nail glue because you don't want it to get on the natural hair. So you only want to put a dab. You only need a dab, like right there on the edge. Now, this was very simple. The reason why the rest of her hair is done is because the first time I did the back ones, I did them a little too long and I didn't like it, so I wanted to go back and redo it. So that's where I showed you guys how to do it, because I didn't want to show you the clip of the longer ones because that's not what I was going for. I was just kind of trying it out and I didn't like it, so I wanted it a little shorter. Now with the next one, you're going to do the same thing. Now, once again, just be careful with the glue. You only want a dab because you don't want it going all the way through that lock to where it possibly touches your hair. You don't want that. All right, I'm all done. Thank you for watching. I used about 6 or 7 packs of the Freetress hair, and when you open it, you'll see what I'm talking about. I used about 3 sections to each lock. Maybe at the top I might have used 4 little pieces of the Freetress hair, and I separated it once. Let me know if you would like to see a video of me separating the hair, since I couldn't put that clip in, and I will do a video and put it on my channel. But thank you for watching. Please comment down below, click that bell, well, first click the subscribe button, then click that bell, and you'll be notified of any upcoming videos I put out.